day everyone, my name is Yau Cheng Hou, my metric number 304297. Today I will explain the operation of the loft and line machine. Before we look at the machine, we must understand two key terms. Loft, this is the angle of the clutch face. It controls how high and how far the ball travels. Line angles, this is the angle between the shaft and the ground. It controls the direction of the shot. If the line is wrong, the ball will not fly straight. The first step is a proper placement. We sew the clutch head against the base plate and align the grooves so they are perfectly horizontal. Once the face is square, we tighten the top clamp. This must be firm because any movement during the bending process will result in an incorrect measurement of or damage to the clutch. Now I will show you how to place the clutch. So the clutch must be flat. Make it tighten. Here's the table, and this is iron 8, so we can see the loft is 38 degree and the light is 63.10 degree. Yeah. So it's about 38 degree. Okay. And the line is 63.10 degree, which is perfect. Now I will show you how to adjust the clutch by using the angle bar. So this one is to adjust the line. We pull out the bar towards us to make it upright or push away to make it flat. So this one is make it upright. When we push it away, we make it flat. Now I will show you how to adjust the loft angle. So now, if I push it upwards, it will add loft. If I press it down, it will be loft. In conclusion, understanding loft and line is essential for clutch performance. By mastering the clamping, reading, and bending techniques, we ensure the equipment is perfectly tuned to the performance.